To turn on a classroom technology system, you're going to look at this black LCD panel. If it's black, that just means it went to sleep. So to activate it, wave your hand in front of it, and you'll notice that it's motion activated. You'll see Monty the Eagle there, and he's telling you there's only one button, go ahead and press it, and this will turn on the system. So you can tap the green circular button. This is powering everything on. The screen is lowering, the projector is heating up, and it's also turning on the classroom speaker system. Next, you'll see a menu of available inputs. So our four inputs are the room computer, the laptop, and the document camera, so you can tap which one you need. You also adjust the volume along the side. Some of our classrooms have wall-mounted web conferencing systems with drop microphones in them. And if that's the case, you'll also see this camera control option. The room computer is selected by default, but if you wanted to use the document camera, you could tap document camera. You'll notice that other menus pop up. You can read through the information and then just tap close. If you want to use your personal device, like a laptop, all of our classrooms have an HDMI cord. If your device doesn't use an HDMI cord, we do provide a ring of commonly needed adapters, both for Mac products and PCs. And then once you've connected either the HDMI cord or the HDMI cord via a dongle, you can change the display input by just tapping Laptop on the LCD panel. To unlock the room computer, use Control-Alt-Delete on the keyboard and sign in with your Purple Pass credentials. If the computer monitor is black, try just shaking the mouse. The monitor may just be asleep. However, if the computer is still not waking up, it's probably been turned off, and you can turn it on by pressing the power button on the tower, usually at the top of the system. To use the document camera, begin by raising the camera and powering the system on with the power button. If the projected image is blurry, the AF button is the autofocus, and you also have the ability to zoom in and zoom out. Our document cameras can also be used as web cameras. So if you're teaching in a classroom that does not have a wall-mounted web conferencing system, you can use your document camera as a webcam because it has a built-in microphone. Some of our classrooms are equipped for web conferencing. You'll know you're teaching in a web conferencing classroom if you see this camera mounted to the wall. These classrooms also have drop microphones hanging from the ceiling to capture your audio. When you're finished with class and you want to power the system off, please make sure to tap the large button at the very bottom with the red lettering. Tapping this will turn off the projector and raise the screen.